Yep, I decided to throw a little more of this. This is just a crazy, crazy wind event. Hopefully there are no fallen branches on one of our lines because we could have a blackout from that. Like all my long hair is like starting to blow. You guys can see right here. See? My hair's blowing and everything. And the trees are doing their wind dance. I haven't seen the winds this strong since January, where we almost had wind gusts of 70 miles an hour back in January. This is just a crazy, crazy wind event. Ugh. It's just really insane. Yep, there's the tree that's in front of my house. It's like one of the characters on the Winnie the Pooh ride that say, this reminds me of one of the characters on the Winnie the Pooh ride saying, Happy Wednesday. Today's not Wednesday, but it's Wednesday. Today's Monday, right now. So much going on right now. This is what we deal with in March. We deal with much stronger storms. And the month of March had one of the strongest nor'easters to hit us in the history of this month. But this is not a nor'easter. This is like a low-level jet or something. The storm's like moving out to sea. So yeah, once again, we'll see where we go from here. But all I know is that the wind's gonna be here to stay all day. So, whoa! Wow. Look at this wild gust. Just as I was supposed to close out the video. Wow. I was about to close out the video, but it's like the wind told me no. Keep filming. Alright. We'll see where we go from here, and I guess that's it. Bye.